So today we are going to continue with the lesson solid liquids and gases, which is chapter number 5 from the textbook. And what we are going to do today is we are going to learn about gases, and also we are going to discuss about earlier topics, solids and liquids, and how they can be interchanged. Their states can be interchanged, that is, solids can be converted to liquid, liquid can be converted to gas. So all these things can happen if we try to take some actions against it. Okay, now we are going to discuss this in detail. So let us start with part number 2 of the lesson, solid liquids and gases. In the earlier session we had discussed about introductory things about the chapter. Then we had also discussed what is matter made up of. We had discussed about solids and also about liquids. So these were the things that we had learned. Now I had shown you this picture in earlier session also. This is a smoke, okay, and smoke, as you know, it is generally emitted when there is a fire, okay. Many times what happens is we cannot, if we try to catch the smoke, we cannot hold it. We cannot try to catch or hold smoke in our hands. Okay, you can try this if there is a lighted agarbatti, then the smoke that is emitted from this stick, you can try to hold it. Okay, you will not be able to hold it. So can we do it? The answer is obviously no. Can we see air around us? No, we cannot see the air around us. Why? Because air is a mixture of gases, and the particles out of which these gases are made, they are so small that they cannot be seen from a naked eye. However, smoke can be seen. Okay, smoke can be seen because the particles are big. We can see those particles, so we can see the smoke. We cannot hold a gas in our hand. Okay, when air is filled into the balloon, it takes up all the space inside the balloon. मतलब balloon में जितनी space होती है वो पूरी air occupy कर जाती है. So this is the football. I talked about this. The football, the material out of which it is made, it is tough, so we can pump lot of air inside it, but in the balloon we cannot, because balloon material is not that strong enough. The conclusion is we can pump air, and it means that more air can be filled into the same space. The smell of the perfume, this is another example where it is evident that particles from gases, they occupy entire space. For example, a smell of perfume, it spreads quickly from one corner to another. It doesn't take any time. For example, if you spray a perfume at one corner of the house, you will observe that it has occupied entire space. So this is because molecules in gases are very loosely packed, and gases can flow easily. Okay. Then gases have no fixed shape, they have no fixed volume. It fills the space of the vessel and it flows easily than liquids. Liquids also flow, but gases flow more easily. Then the next topic is states of matter. The states of matter like solid, liquid and gases are interchangeable. What is the meaning of interchangeable? Interchangeable means when we are able to convert a thing from one state to another, that is called as interchangeable. Okay, for example, ice, when it is heated, gets converted to water. Water on heating gets converted to water vapor. So this is interchangeability of a substance. Similarly, on cooling, vapors can be converted to water, and water can be on cooling, it freezes to ice. So that's how we can change the states of a matter. Well, that was all for the day. This is some homework for you. The first is solid, liquid and gases have fixed shape and fixed volume. So you have to select the correct option. If solid is correct, then you have to select it. If liquid is correct, and then you have to select liquid. Gas is correct, then you have to select gas. So these are the options and you have to select the correct one. I will repeat the question. Solid, liquids, gases have fixed shape and fixed volume. Then solid or liquid or gases take the shape of the container in which they are kept. ठीक है, तो इसमें से करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. थर्ड, gases have fixed volume, fixed shape, no shape. Okay, so these are the options: fixed volume, fixed shape, no shape. I will repeat the question. Gases have fixed volume, fixed shape or no shape. Then ice changes to a liquid on heating, cooling or crushing. In this you have to select correct option from heating, cooling or crushing. Last but not the least, steam ice wax changes to liquid water on cooling. तो इसमें से करेक्ट वाला ऑप्शन को सिलेक्ट करना. ऑप्शन क्या है? स्टीम आइस एंड वैक्स changes to liquid water on cooling. So you have to select the correct option. So that was all for today. I hope you understood today's session. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. See you in next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.